Sure. Yeah, I don't know why this shit be going down the way it go down, but I'm still gon' be here no matter what. Damn, each time I do this it's gotta be that way. Ain't nobody else taking nothing from me again. Each time I go down I beat up. Next very fucking day that's what I do. What the hell be on? You know how it is. What a slave ship. And rocks off and on and on and on and on. Every flow gotta be on like that again. Damn, that should be like this. Each give and that, each way I do it. It be just like this crazy ghost shit. Don't you niggas ever understand us? Damn, I be up in this spooky fucking house again, making some old good music though. Each damn day, you just gon' play it like it watching Nightmare on Elm Street. Clothes on with the fingernails and all of the shit that they do. We attack you when your dreams go. Goddamn, I do the shit like Nightmare Elm Street though. I do it just like Nightmare on Elm Street. Freddy Krueger, Freddy Krueger. Do it just like Nightmare on Elm Street. Do it just like Freddy Krueger. Do it just like that, Nightmare Elm Street, like Freddy Krueger. They can't understand it, they know my craft, it's just so different. Some shit they can't fucking figure out. Damn, I keep telling you like this, Nightmare on Elm Street. I'm coming for your dreams. Everybody done seen us, they fucking believe us, they fucking listening to me every day. They having dreams about me hitting their ass each way. Damn, they can't believe it, that's why they hate me. But you loving the fact that you having a fantasy about me busting that ass, because you know that this is something that you can't get, that you wanna get. A lot of people that I don't even know up here that like me so bad, because they know when they go home and be like a beat ass fucking party every day, and they loved ones see what they damn do to them though, and what they do to it, oh damn. Just like a Nightmare on Elm Street. Freddy Krueger though, Freddy Krueger though. Damn, they know that I see into their mirrors a lot of shit. They hate the shit, but I love the shit. Nightmare on Elm Street. Freddy Krueger, Freddy Krueger. Damn, they can't understand it. How much do I know what they do to them? Damn, what shit that I don't know, what goes on with my friend like that? Damn, they sick on this shit. They think that I don't know. I already know a lot of things that you can't even think that I can comprehend, that I know. Damn, I do the shit like Freddy Krueger. Do the shit like Freddy Krueger. Come to your dreams. You want me to rescue you. You want me to rescue you. Nightmare on Elm Street. Nightmare on Elm Street. Freddy Krueger, Freddy Krueger. They can't understand it, cause they want me to be with them. Damn, they know what they be going through. I be helping them out, helping them out. Damn, Nightmare on Elm Street. Freddy Krueger. More the music.